Hi everyone, it's Sue from Mixed Media Craft Time. I've come on today to show some happy mail that I have received. The first package is for a napkin swap that I was involved in. It was with a Facebook group, the Paper Art Happy Mail, Australia, New Zealand I think it is. And my swap partner was Roz, and we had to send 10 napkins each for a swap. So I'll just open it. Oh my goodness. Ooh. She's sealed it very well. I don't want to cut. The napkins. Oh. I think I've got in there. Okay, and we have a little note. Hi Sue, thanks for swapping. I hope you like this selection. All the best, Roz. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, I love the paper. Okay. Alright, we have a watermelon one. I certainly don't have that. That's awesome. Oh, I love that. Ah, we have a rooster. Wow. That will be good in a junk journal that I'm planning on making. Oh, I love this one too. I love the colours. Ooh, it's got different designs on. Okay. So there's the two different corners. Well, that's excellent. And we have this one, make a great background. Oh, look at this one. This would be an awesome background. And that's lovely as well. Of course, purple. Oh, this one's also purple too. I love that one. Never ceases to amaze me how many different designs of napkins there are. Oh, another one with purple. Ah, excellent. Oh, this one's got different corners as well. Yep, the two different corners. Ah, the Christmas one. Awesome. And the peacock. I've seen this one before, but I haven't got any, so that's awesome as well. Wow, thank you very much, Roz. They're excellent. I'm going to add those to my collection and no doubt use them for something, so thank you very much. Now my second one, this one was a prize from HappilyEllaAfter and Jeannie. It was part of a prize that she gave away for her CC Designs collaboration with Grace 21. She did a draw, and the winner of the first draw she didn't contact her, so she did a redraw, and I was very fortunate to be the winner of the redraw. So that was awesome for me, and unfortunate for the person who missed out. And what have we got? Ah, okay. I love this package. We don't have ones like that here. Okay, what have we got here? Thank you for watching and subscribing. And a little business card. I love that bag. Oh, there's a tag. Isn't that so gorgeous? Never lose your sense of wonder. That is absolutely gorgeous. Love the little watery drops as well. So beautiful. And hello my friend, and it's got her details on the back. That's absolutely beautiful. And we have some beads. Now I think from memory she said she ordered them from, I think it was MC Beaders on YouTube, and it's a very chunky collection. Wow, it's actually quite heavy too. Look at that, that is absolutely amazing. And I'd like to say thank you very much, Roz, for the napkin swap, and thank you to Jeannie for the wonderful prize. I'd also like to say welcome to my new subscribers, and thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoy my videos. And that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.